Hey there, today's Monday, December 14th, and I'm sorry that you're at home, but I thought I'd give you an update on where we're at in class. So, just to remind us, last week or the week before, we created the rock cycle flip chart that we turned in. And then last week, we started doing information with data and we played a game. First, we made our game board, and then we used that game board to come up with data. We rolled the dice 12 times to see what happens with a rock when you move it, or when a rock moves, basically through the cycle. And so by the time Friday ended, we should have had that completed. And then that data is locked into your Otis right now. And then today, what's happening is I'm going to give everybody a piece of paper and I'm going to read what it says right now. It says, Rock Cycle Comic, Summative Assessment. Illustrate and explain in words 8 consecutive rock cycle changes that you observed and recorded during your rock cycle game. For each panel, be sure to include the following: the step number, so like which round was it? The location, so where did you start? The change that occurred to the rock while it was there, so what actually happened to the rock? Let's say it started out like on the mountain and it was a big rock. It ended up, I don't know, let's say it was in the ocean. So it went from being a big rock to like a grain of sand. What are actually the causes for those changes? So you would talk about how the weathering and erosion happened and specifically what kind. So basically you have to take the knowledge you have to explain it. And then what moved your rock to the next step. So it tells you like what kind of thing made it go to the next step based on the game. And then you're going to draw a picture of that. You're going to show me with an illustration how that rock went through its changes. So here is the document that I just read off of. If you are out today, I will post this on Otis. But for the rest of us, we're getting a hard copy today. And what's going to happen for you if you're not in class, I need you to do this. You're going to have to like print it and do it, or just do it in binder paper. And then you're going to have to submit that to me, take a picture of it and send it to me, because I need you to have this done. This is summative, and this is walking through the steps of the rock cycle. Okay. So what I'm going to need you to do, if you have questions about this document, I'm going to ask you, please email me so that I can help you with it. This is due by Wednesday. So this isn't something where you can just let it go. It's due by Wednesday. And as I said, it is summative. Okay, so that's the assignment that we're getting today, Monday, December 14th. All right, there we go.